Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone and plan support 5G. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, insert the active SIM, enable mobile data, and restart the device if you haven't already. Now open Settings and tap Connections to access network controls. This is where you change the radio mode. Make sure airplane mode is off so radios are active. Proceed immediately to mobile networks. You're set to change preferred network types and force 5G only after the next slide. In mobile networks, tap Network Mode to view available radio options. This determines how the phone prioritizes signals. Choose the explicit 5G only or 5G/4G/3G/2G option. 5G only guarantees the phone stays on 5G where coverage exists, while mixed modes fall back to LTE automatically. If 5G only isn't shown, enable enhanced 4G LTE features or use the device's service mode, dialer code, or settings about software. Finish by rebooting the phone and checking the status bar for the 5G indicator to confirm success. If you don't see 5G, toggle between modes once more and then reset network settings to clear conflicts. This removes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairings, so make sure you can reconnect. If that fails, confirm carrier provisioning and local 5G coverage with your provider. Sometimes SIM or account settings block 5G. As a last resort, visit a carrier store or Samsung support for account or firmware assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.